that's a lot. I'm excited. I'm trying to do one in each can. That way when we do the squeeze, each one will have powder. All right, let me open the ones I forgot. Look at all the views going up. They're like, hold on, wait a minute. What is she doing? What is she doing? Look at that. 295, 298. This is only Ajax powder. This is leftover. Look at everybody come in. Do you have anything else for sale that I can purchase? Yes, I do. I have laundry powder. Are you interested in laundry powder? Yeah. Look at everybody come in. Oh my God, yes I do. I have a Tide. Where did I leave it? No, I forgot it in the car. I forgot it in the car. Oh man, I'm just getting the leftover from yesterday. I actually have a Tide in my car that I bought for this overload and I completely forgot. Sorry. It's a small little bottle. That one is it's gonna be 6. Cause I paid 5 for it. Boy, that shit would have been even more lit, but I forgot it in the car. And then my husband's probably in the video game. I'm not even wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a bra right now. Let me explain. We're using bleach, and I didn't want to stain my shirt. Girl, go get it. We'll wait. If I send, can you get it? Fine. Yes. Let me send my husband. Let me get my husband to go. Baby! Robert! Babe, are you in the game? Are you in the game? Can you go to the car for me? Yay, thank you. Okay, in the front seat, I bought a bottle of Tide. It's in the passenger seat on the floor. Can you go get it for me? Thank you. Yes, guys, he said yes. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Yes, he said yes. He's gonna go get it right now, guys. I'm excited. Okay, I'll send 6. Thank you, my love. Okay, let me keep adding dish soap, okay? That doesn't stain her clothes. Oh my god. It's a Hello Kitty shirt, so I do not want to stain. Especially one of my Hello Kitty shirts. This is the leftover from yesterday. We have some Foca in here. I don't know. Hopefully we get something out of it. Perfect. Whatever we had worked. Does she want powder? Robbie! Vámonos! Give me a second. Cállate, give me a second. Alright, let me keep adding. Let me add some scent beads. Let's add some of this. Oh yes, this is delicious, beautiful. We are doing something beautiful. Bro, how much do we have left to add? He's tired of me. We're done. We're just waiting on the Tide now. Aiden Landers. Oh my god, I love your profile picture. Is that a Batman cat? That is so cute. We're waiting on you, shoulder. I can't, I'm not wearing a shirt. Let me see. Do some green. Do some green in there. Do some green right here. That looks so pretty.